How AI will transform project management. Summary. Only 35% of projects today are completed successfully. One reason for this disappointing rate is the reliance on human instinct, failure to fully understand risks and external forces involved in the bigger picture in a holistic way. Reliance on project managers' human instinct and behaviors, experience and not necessarily focused on resolving the outcome of issues, but project managers focused on informal discussions with teams and reporting.
AI goes beyond this and looks out of the box at the bigger picture and all influences impacting projects. With the introduction of holistic artificial intelligence co-pilots, a second more logical and focused eye on project outcomes, saving companies billions in delayed and slowly progressing projects globally across all verticals, horizontals and industry sectors, from finance through IT to construction.
The impact of holistic artificial intelligence, HAI, on economies and enterprise will be revolutionary. McKinsey Global Institute estimates that holistic artificial intelligence, HAI, will add between $2.6 trillion and $4.4 trillion in annual value to the global economy, increasing the economic impact of AI by 15 to 40%. The consultancy predicts that holistic artificial intelligence, HAI, will push that window a decade earlier than previous estimates. Goldman Sachs predicts a 7%, or nearly $7 trillion, increase in global GDP attributable to holistic artificial intelligence, HAI.
Generative AI's impact on all global projects will play a major role in this increase, with lower cost to market and lower cost to go live across all industries and verticals. One of the biggest spends in any major project is consultancy and project management, and delays caused by missing the bigger picture. AI takes that into account.
A real-time example. Imagine a CTO of a large company uses Microsoft technologies and smartphones to check on the organization's 7 strategic initiatives. Within a few taps, they may think they know the status of every project and what percentage of expected benefits each one has delivered. Project charters and key performance indicators are available in moments, as are each team member's morale level and the overall buy-in of critical stakeholders. The CTO manager drills down on the rebranding initiative. A few months earlier, a large competitor had launched a new green brand, prompting the company to accelerate its own sustainability rollout. AI detected the change and recommended changes. Many AI-driven self-adjustments have already occurred, based on parameters chosen by the project manager and the project team at the initiative's outset. The app informs the CTO of every change that needs their attention, as well as potential risks, and prioritizes decisions that they must make to refocus the program and project managers. Providing potential solutions to each project manager using AI helps the organization and its program managers and project managers to achieve their objectives sooner. Innovators and organizations should be investing in AI project management technology now.
Gartner's research indicates that change is coming soon, predicting that by 2030, 80% of project management tasks will be run by AI, powered by big data, machine learning, and natural language processing. A handful of researchers, such as Paul Boudreau in his book Applying Artificial Intelligence Tools to Project Management, and a growing number of startups, have already developed algorithms to apply AI and ML in the world of project management. When this next generation of tools is widely adopted, there will be radical changes.
Thanks for watching Kuldiput Kohli.